So when you travel and do your work, do you get there early enough to kind of figure out what's going on? Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License. And today I'm in Charleston, South Carolina. Beautiful homes along the harbor here. And farther back that way is Fort Sumter. And of course, the marina here and the Coast Guard. So I'm talking about this because I travel and I'm often at venues that I've never been at before. I'm often in towns that I've never been in before. And one of the most important things for me when I do my work is to have some feel for where I'm going to be. I learned a long time ago when I was in the theater that if you're going to work a stage, you're going to be in a theater for the stage, you need to walk the space. You need to know what it says. You need to know how it feels. You need to know where everyone in the theater is going to be, how they're going to see you, how the sight lines are going to go. And you need to feel comfortable in the space so that people aren't worried that you don't know where you are. Easiest way to do this is to go to the specific venue that you're going to be at well before you go. And oftentimes it's not just me needing to just walk the space, but meet the people there that run the facility and see where the head table is going to be, where the dance floor is going to be, get a feel for the lighting, where the couples are going to be when they come in and how they're going to do, because you need to be in that space like you own that space, right? You need to be there in such a way that you don't have to say, well, give me a second and I'll talk to the facility manager and find out where the best place to enter is, right? Or where the dance floor is going to be. And when I have meetings with my clients about this stuff, they have questions about the layout. And if I don't have a chance to see the space, feel the space, know where the lighting is, know where the darkest places are, then I can't speak with authority. And if I can't speak with authority about the space, then guess what? I don't get to be in control of how the space works. And when you're the entertainment designer, when you're the MC, when you're in charge of the flow of the day, and you don't understand how the space is going to affect that, that's a problem. Plus, if you're coming into a town you've never been to before, you should be able to speak about it in such a way that you know a little bit about the culture and a little bit about the town. So just about every place that I have to travel more than 2 hours to, I have it worked in where I have to be there the day before. Number one, to be sure that, well, that they feel good about the fact they've hired me and that I'm going to be there. And number two, if I walk into a town and I don't know what's going on and I look like a tourist, then I don't necessarily get these people to think much of me, right? They're not going to listen to the guy who doesn't sound like he doesn't know. So I think you should just take this into consideration for the next time that you travel. But at the very least, take into consideration that the next time you're at an event where you're at a facility that you've never been at, a walkthrough and a site visit is really, really important for a lot of reasons. And as you begin to do it, you'll learn that there's a lot more reasons than what I even talked about today. I know that you have thought about this, and I know a lot of you guys do this. What do you think? Thanks for being a part of my little dog and pony show, and thanks for being nice to my sponsors. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next time. Bye.